What is a E9 error on our dehumidifier?
How can I help with your home repair question? What specific appliance or part are you working with?
Hisense dehumidifier.
Do you know the model of your Hisense dehumidifier? How old is it?
Model #DH3019K1W.
How long has this been going on with your Hisense dehumidifier? What have you tried so far?
3 weeks.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is Billy. Thank you for using Just Answer. I'm sorry you are having problems with your equipment. I will do my best to help you get this resolved. If I happen to be helping another or step away during our communication, please know I will follow up as soon as I am back available/online. You will likely receive a pop-up for phone call offer. I am not set up currently for phone contact, but we do have experts that are. If you would like a phone call, I can opt out to enable another expert to assist you. I am looking at your question and will respond shortly. Please be patient as I may have to pull manuals, diagrams or drawings. Hello, this means there is a sensor issue. It will require replacement of the sensor or replacement of the unit itself. If you do it yourself, plan on a solid half day or more, as these units were not made for easy disassembly. Unfortunately, there is no easy fix, reset, etc. It needs to have the sensor replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.